morning to all of you. Myself Renu Rathi from Shri Rama Bharati Public School. As I have already explained you the 2-3 topics of mean, median, mode and the intervals. My today's topic is how to convert the intervals in less than and more than type. How to convert the intervals in less than and more than type. First of all, what is the need to convert the intervals in the less than and more than? Just to plot the graph, just to plot the points on the graph. So, I have taken one example from your NCERT only, that is in which intervals are given. In last class, what we have discussed, conversion of less than and more than in intervals. In this class, conversion of intervals in more than and less than type. I have taken one example in which intervals are given. 100 to 120, 12 workers are there. 120 to 140, 14 workers are there. And like this. And total numbers of workers are 50. So, what was the question? Convert the above distribution to a less than type. Here, if they will write more than type, then we will convert in more than type. If they will write less than type, then we will convert the same in the less than type. Clear class? So, how will we start the question? We just write here. We are going to convert these. So, we will write down here less than. Then I have not written here anything. Reason is, I already told you in the last class that the digit that will come with the less than word will be the upper limit. So if you want to convert in the less than type, then these upper limit will come with your less than word. So less than 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 in number. So next is less than 140. The next is less than 160. Next is less than 180. And the last is less than 200. Less than 200. What I have done till this step, I just have converted these interval in the less than word. How I have converted? I just introduced one word, that is less than, and I have taken the upper limit, because less than word is related with the upper limits only. So, if you will change these interval in the less than words, then these frequencies will be changed. And how they will change, I already explained you. Less than question will always start from the top, and the top number will be remain same. Now, if you want to convert the interval in less than, the frequency will be in addition. If you want to convert less than and in interval, the frequency will be subtracted. So here intervals means we are going to calculate the CF here, cumulative frequency of the number of workers. So here we are going to calculate the intervals in the less than. First number will be remain same. This will be 12. For calculating the next number, it will be 12 plus 14. For next, it will be 12 plus 14 plus 8. Next will be 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6. And the last will be addition of all these frequencies plus 10. So if you will add 12 plus 14, it will be 26. Now 12 plus 14 plus 8, then it will be, when you will add these all plus 8, then it will be 34. 34 plus these number, it will be 40. 40 plus 10, it will be 50. The CF, the highest CF will be the total of all the frequencies. If you want to check your calculation that you have done correctly or not, then the highest frequency will be, highest CF will be the total of all the frequencies. I am writing here highest CF. Highest CF is always equal to total of all frequencies. Total of all frequencies. So here I have converted the less than type in an intervals in the less than type. And how I have converted? I just have taken the upper limit with the less than word. After that, the question will start from the top and we have to write down by editing all the respective frequencies. Let me explain you the last class again here. If you want to convert the less than in an interval, then the words with the less than, the digit with the less than will be the upper limit. Yes, they are the upper limit. After that lower limit we can design ourselves by taking the difference of 20 limits. Now first number will be remain same. Yes, first number is same. Then subtraction. Yes, I have subtracted here. The answer will be turned to this. It means they both are equal. They both are equal. We have done here till here correctly. Clear class? Now the next example will be of how to convert the intervals in the more than type. I am going to take the same example and I am going to convert in the more than type. Clear class? So students, how we are going to convert the same interval in the more than type? For this, you just count the interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I am going to do here, I am going to write down more than word 5 times. More than word. How many times? 5 times, because the total number of intervals are 5. So I will write more than word as many as time the intervals are given. So more than, and the last one is again more than. Now which numbers will come here? In more than word, the lower limit will work. Less than upper limit, more than lower limit. So more than lower limit will come. So it will be 100, 120, 140, 160 and the last will be 180. If you have changed the more than word, then you have to change the number of worker also. It means you have to change the CF also. This was the daily income. This is the daily income. Now I am going to change the CF, that is number of workers. Number of workers. So how will we change the number of workers? In more than, we have to start the question from the bottom. The last number will be remain same. So the last number is 10, then here 10 will come. Fine. After that just add one by one. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. Next is 24 plus 14 is 38. 38 plus 12 is 50. So how I have written here? 10 plus 6. Then here 10 plus 6 plus 8. The next is 10 plus 6 plus 8 plus 14. And the last one is addition of all these. Plus 8 plus 14 plus 12. Clear class? So here at the top the highest CF is 50. Now just check, is the highest CF equal to the total frequencies? Yes. So it means our calculations are right. Clear class? So we have converted all these information, the interval information in more than. Now let me come back to this question. How will we come back to the question? More than words, the digit written with the more than will be our lower limit. Yes, they are the lower limits. Now respectively, by the difference of 20, we can design our upper limit. Fine. The question will start from the bottom. Yes, I have started the question from the bottom. Last number will be remain same, 10 and 10. Now how will this 6 will come? 10 minus 16 means the difference of these two numbers. You can say 16 minus 10 also. Then next, how this 8 will come? 24 minus 16. What about this 14? 38 minus 24. What about this 12? 50 minus 38. Yes, it is 12. It means our answer is correct. We have converted the intervals in the more than type and we have also converted the interval in the less than type. Clear class? So in today's class, we just learned how to convert the intervals in less than as well as how to convert the intervals in the more than type. This we have done just to plot the points on the graph paper. In the next class, I will tell you how will we draw the graph paper. The graph will be of less than type also and more than type also. If the graph is of less than type, we will convert the information in less than. If the graph will be is of more than type, we will convert the information in more than. And students, If they have already given the information in less than and their question is draw the less than graph, then it means directly we will draw the graph. If they have given in more than and their question is draw the graph in more than, we can easily draw in more than. But if their question is in interval and the question is in less than, so we will convert the interval in less than, and if their question is in more than, we will convert the interval in more than. So this is how we can draw the graph, and how to plot the graph, that I will explain you in my next class. Keep watching the videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay